the summer of 2006, I hurt my back. I ended up going to physical therapy 2 days a week. I met a PhD in physical therapy, and he taught me that the really healthy way of managing your body is this whole idea around movement, and proper movement comes from properly aligning your musculoskeletal system. And it started to dawn on me that a lot of what he was working on could very well be influenced by the way a chair works as well.
We took Chuck's experience with physical therapy and said, you know what, let's approach a new chair from a physical therapist perspective. We decided to start with the body, and through that thought process and with Barb's input from a physical therapy perspective, began to really understand what healthy sitting is all about.
So proper posture facilitates circulation, breathing, which is the basis of all human life and function, and then all of that relates to then movement. So if I've got proper circulatory system, a proper breathing and oxygenation, then things move, and things move more reasonably throughout the course of a day. So what we started with was, instead of trying to place something in the low back that would push your spine into position, we worked hard on doing things with the seat pan that would take your pelvis and build the sitting position from the bottom up. And that was the difference, I think, in how this whole thing started.
So we finally came to a design direction that we think is revolutionary. You'll see on the seat of Wabi Nikko these flexors, and they are designed so that when you sit into the chair, the flexing of those front flexors in the seat pan allows the first step of lowering your legs, changing the angle, and that begins the slow movement of rotating your pelvis forward.
So if your pelvis is tilted back, you're going to look like this. If your pelvis is neutral, you're going to look like this. If it's way forward, you're going to look like this. We looked for neutral or slightly tipped forward to try to get that upright posture to be facilitated. If we give you a chair that builds sitting from the bottom up, it will enhance your ability to sit well, to function well, and to then have good posture during sitting.
And what I think is so exciting about Wabi Nikko is that it's really a combination of health science, design, and really great materials. And we brought these together under 2 chair families. Wabi is really designed to be your high-performance, very personal task chair, behind a desk, in your office, in your cubicle, in your open plan. While Nikko is designed with a very scalable offering to be your conferencing chair, your classroom chair. So 2 different products have the appropriate features for what they're intended to be.
Now we want to make this chair beautiful, elegant, intuitive. We could have taken a dozen different approaches to building a chair, but we chose this one because it's fundamentally what we believe in. And I'm most excited about standing up and telling everybody about a better way of sitting that is a healthier way to sit for all of us.